Hello and welcome to creating shaker cards with die cuts. My name is Cheryl. I'll be teaching you this class. I always love finding new and different ways of using my die cuts. They're a little bit more of an expensive supply, so it's always fun to find interactive ways to create images on your cards and also use those die cuts in a different way. Let's go take a look at what we're going to be covering in this class. Now these are the 3 cards that we're going to be creating in this class. Every single one of them has a shaker element to it, which is fun and really quite addicting to play with. They all prop up for display, which gives you a little bit of a weird view right now, but they can all be displayed. Each one of them has a winter theme to them just because of the time of year that I'm creating it, but you can use your dies and adapt in different ways. Some dies will work better than others for these techniques, but I encourage you to play with your dies and take a look and see if you can create some shaker elements out of what you have. This class also comes with a PDF supply list that is downloadable. It'll have pictures of each one of the sample cards as well as listing all of the supplies used to create it. And those will be linked to where you can purchase them if you choose. But like I said, you can always use the supplies that you have on hand and get creative that way. Now let's go create some fun shaker cards.